Welcome to Athens, a city where history meets modern charm. Let's count down the top 5 places you must visit in Athens, Greece. Number 1 on our list is the legendary Acropolis of Athens, a place where ancient history and breathtaking views come together. Rising high above the city, the Acropolis is more than a collection of ruins. It's the very cradle of Western civilization. Here, democracy, philosophy, and art flourished, leaving a legacy that still inspires the world today. The most iconic monument is the Parthenon, dedicated to Athena, the city's patron goddess. This masterpiece of Doric architecture was built during Athens' golden age in the 5th century BC, under the visionary leadership of Pericles. Its designers, Ictinus and Callicrates, used subtle optical illusions, like gently curving columns, to create perfect harmony and balance, a testament to the genius of ancient Greek architects. But the Acropolis is more than just the Parthenon. Explore the Erechtheion, with its famous Porch of the Caryatids, 6 graceful statues serving as columns. Nearby, the Propylaea stands as a grand entrance, and the Temple of Athena Nike celebrates victory in delicate marble. For the best experience, visit early in the morning or late afternoon to avoid crowds and enjoy the golden light on ancient stones. Wear sturdy shoes. The paths can be uneven and slippery. Consider buying a combination ticket online to skip the lines and explore other major archaeological sites in Athens. And don't forget to pause at the top. The panoramic view stretches from the city's rooftops to the blue Aegean Sea, a breathtaking reminder of Athens' enduring spirit. Number 2 on our list is the ancient Agora, the vibrant heart of ancient Athens, where democracy, philosophy, and daily life flourished for centuries. Imagine walking the same paths as Socrates, surrounded by the ruins where Athenians gathered to debate, trade, and celebrate. The Agora was the city's bustling marketplace and the stage for the birth of democracy. The magnificent Temple of Hephaestus stands on a low hill, remarkably well-preserved and dedicated to the god of craftsmanship. Its sturdy Doric columns have watched over Athens for more than 2 millennia. Nearby, the Stoa of Attalos stretches along the Agora's edge. Once a bustling shopping arcade and civic center, it's now home to the Museum of the Ancient Agora, where you can see pottery, coins, and even ostraca, shards used to vote for exile in ancient times. For the best experience, visit early to enjoy the soft morning light and avoid crowds. Wear sturdy shoes for the uneven paths, and take a moment to sit beneath an olive tree, soaking in the atmosphere where history truly comes alive. Before you leave, look out over the Agora for a sweeping view of Athens, where the ancient and modern worlds meet in one unforgettable place. Number 3 on our list is the Plaka district, Athens' most enchanting neighborhood, where ancient history and lively culture meet beneath the Acropolis. Plaka is often called the neighborhood of the gods. Its winding cobblestone streets, lined with pastel neoclassical houses and blooming bougainvillea, invite you to wander and discover hidden gems at every turn. The village-like atmosphere is unmistakable. No cars, just the gentle hum of conversation, the aroma of fresh bread, and the sight of locals chatting at cozy cafes. For a taste of the islands, climb up to Anaphiotica, a tiny enclave of whitewashed houses and blue shutters built by craftsmen from Anafi. Here, you'll feel transported to the Cyclades, all in the shadow of the Parthenon. Don't forget your camera. Every corner is a postcard, from sun-drenched stairways to vibrant doorways overflowing with flowers. As evening falls, Plaka comes alive with the sounds of traditional music and the scent of grilled souvlaki. Lively tavernas spill onto the streets, offering authentic Greek dishes and a warm welcome. Plaka is also a shopper's paradise, with everything from artisan jewelry and handmade leather goods to fragrant herbs and olive oil. Take your time exploring the boutiques and workshops tucked along the narrow lanes. History is everywhere. You'll stumble upon ancient sites like the Roman Agora, the Tower of the Winds, and the Choragic Monument of Lycabettus, reminders of Athens' rich past around every corner. For a magical end to your day, find a rooftop taverna. There's nothing like savoring moussaka, with a view of the Acropolis glowing above the city lights. Wear comfortable shoes for the cobblestones, and visit early or late to enjoy Plaka's quiet beauty. At number 4, we arrive at the National Archaeological Museum, Athens' treasure trove of ancient wonders and the largest museum of its kind in Greece. Housed in a grand neoclassical building, the museum's galleries are filled with masterpieces spanning thousands of years, from the prehistoric era to late antiquity. Among its most famous treasures is the Mask of Agamemnon, a stunning gold funeral mask from Mycenae that has captivated visitors for generations. Don't miss the breathtaking bronze statue of Poseidon, caught mid-motion, or the mysterious Antikythera mechanism, an ancient device sometimes called the world's first computer. The museum's vast collection also includes exquisite Cycladic figurines, colorful frescoes, and intricate jewelry, each piece telling a story of Greece's rich and varied past. As you wander through the galleries, you'll find marble kouroi, delicate pottery, and vibrant mosaics, each room offering a new window into the ancient world. To make the most of your visit, plan to spend at least a couple of hours here. Arrive early to enjoy the quieter galleries, and don't forget to check out the museum's excellent cafe and gift shop for unique souvenirs. The National Archaeological Museum is more than a collection of artifacts. It's a journey through the soul of Greece, and an absolute must for anyone seeking to understand the country's extraordinary history. Our final stop, number 5, is the legendary Lycabettus Hill, a place where adventure, breathtaking views, and the spirit of Athens all come together. Rising 277 meters above the city, Lycabettus is the highest point in central Athens. Locals say that from its summit, you can see the entire story of the city unfold beneath you, from ancient ruins to modern neighborhoods, all the way to the sparkling Aegean Sea. The journey up is part of the magic. You can take the famous funicular railway, which whisks you up the steep pine-covered slopes in just a few minutes, or, for the adventurous, hike the winding trails that snake through fragrant pine forests and wildflowers. Along the way, you'll pass locals out for a morning jog, couples pausing to admire the view, and the occasional street musician filling the air with Greek melodies. The climb is invigorating, and every turn reveals a new perspective of Athens. At the summit, you're greeted by the charming whitewashed chapel of St. George, perched dramatically against the sky. This tiny church has watched over Athens for centuries, and its bell tower is a beloved city landmark. The real showstopper, though, is the view. From here, Athens stretches out in every direction, the Acropolis rising proudly in the distance, the Olympic Stadium gleaming, and the city's rooftops tumbling toward the sea. On a clear day, you can even spot the distant mountains of the Peloponnese. Lycabettus Hill is especially magical at sunset. As the sun dips behind the mountains, the city below glows in golden light, and the Acropolis is illuminated in the distance. It's a moment you'll never forget, perfect for photos, quiet reflection, or sharing a toast with friends. For a truly memorable evening, grab a table at the Hilltop Cafe or restaurant. Savor a glass of local wine or a traditional Greek meal as the city lights begin to twinkle below. The atmosphere is lively yet relaxed, and the views are simply unbeatable. Travel tip: the funicular runs until late, but if you plan to hike down after dark, bring a flashlight and watch your step on the rocky paths. Arrive early in the evening for the best seats, and don't forget your camera. This is Athens at its most enchanting. Whether you come for the adventure, the romance, or simply to see Athens from a new perspective, Lycabettus Hill is the perfect finale to your journey, a place where the city's beauty truly takes your breath away. These are just a few of the incredible places Athens has to offer. Whether you're here for history, culture, or stunning views, Athens is a city you'll never forget. Which of these sites would you visit first?